Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Mandarin collar. It's also called a band collar. There are many variations to this style depending on your style line. So it could be a v-neck like this one. It could also be for a shirt. So if it's a shirt, it means it'll go all the way to the center front. For some styles, you'll also see that the collar goes all the way up and sits right on the neck. So I'll be showing you the basic method and you'll be able to modify it to suit whatever style you're going for. The first step will be to get the measurement of our neckline, so for the back and the front. To do that, place your tape here and measure from the tip of the front, so the center front tip, to the shoulder. Do the same thing for the back. For my bodice, this measurement is 5.2 centimeters. And then the measurement from here to the tip of the center back is 4 cm. Now that we have that, the next thing to do is to draw a straight line starting from the folded part of our paper. This line is the bottom of our collar. On this line, I'm going to start from the folded parts again, measuring in 4 centimeters because that's what my back neckline measurement is. So whatever you have at your back, measure from the fold inwards. So what this means is I have measured from this point to the tip of the shoulder. So it means this is where our shoulder falls. I'm now going to take the measurement starting from the shoulder of the front to the center front, and that is 5 cm. From this center front point, go upwards by 1.5 centimeters. I'm going to be using 1 cm because my block is small. But just remember, for a full size block, please go up by 1.5 cm. Once you have your 1.5 cm marker, take your ruler, place it midway between these 2 points, so this and this. My ruler is placed midway, and I'm just going to tilt it to touch this 1.5 cm mark and start to draw a line. When you're almost at that midway point, tilt your ruler slightly and then connect it to the line. So this gives us sort of a curved line. The next step is to get the width of your collar. So this is dependent on you. For me, I want mine to be 2 centimeters. I'm going to measure upwards 2 cm. And I'm going to take that 2 cm measurement all the way to that 1.5 point. Okay, so this is our 2 cm line. I'm just going to make that a little smoother. That's our 2 cm line. I'm going to connect both lines. It has to be 90 degrees, so it has to be parallel. It has to be parallel to this bottom one. That's our collar basically done. I'm now going to make a slight curve here. This is just as a style line, so you can have it straight or you can have it curved like this. It really depends on you. That's basically the pattern done. I'm going to use my curve ruler now just to smoothen this part. And next step is to add your allowance. I'm just going to add 1 centimeter allowance all round. And now we can cut it out. Make a notch at the shoulder point. This makes it easier for you to sew it to your bodice. And that's the pattern all done. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you want a sewing tutorial, please leave a comment and I'll make one. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and like my content. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.